Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI. And since my fridge doesn't have an ice maker, this ice cube tray by PHINOX has been a lifesaver. My favorite thing about it is that I can store a lot of ice in the storage bin, but literally on top of that, I can fill up 2 cube trays full of ice just waiting and ready to be released into the storage bin. So I always have more than enough ice in the container and in the ice cube trays. I never run out of ice. Another thing that I really like is that it comes with a cover that protects the ice from picking up smells from any of the frozen food in the freezer, making sure my ice cubes smell just like ice cubes and nothing else. Trust me, this is a feature I didn't know I needed until now. This is a great must-have for your freezer. You will never run out of ice. And that is my point of view.